Hello, welcome to my video today. Today I want to show you how to wear a Hmong, black Hmong traditional clothes in Sapa. So how many pieces we have from one outfit? The first one I have a hat, okay, and the second one I had a shirt, like this one is a shirt. We can say jacket also. You can wear like a jacket, and the second I we had a belt. This is a belt, okay, and we had a skirt, and the last one is here. Will you for your leg? This wrap around the leg. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to waist for you. I will show you how to wear. I just learned. I really don't. I'm not good for. But I can teach you. This one, I need to wear the jacket first. It's a little heavy. Maybe just more than 1 kilogram. Okay, jacket. The second, I need to wear the skirt. This skirt. And okay, you can see. And this belt. This only you Hmong or black Hmong. They only use the pattern and the colorful in the back. This in back. Like this one. Okay. In front of we put like this one. But because I'm so small for this belt, so I use another way to do it. Okay, I can hold like this one. Because I'm too small. My belt too small for this belt. This belt very large. This outfit a little large for myself. For myself, it's very large. Because more people they're not thin like me. Okay. And next one is for the hat. Hat we wear like this one. Yeah. Okay. So this is done one outfit. Okay, so now I will use the wear like this. This is my length. So I will roll this around my length. Okay.